Hello dear students, in this video we will continue next examples of the same practical, that is a revision. Here see, this question is on trigonometric function. Cos inverse of 4 by 5, listen here, cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13. We want to show it is cos inverse of 33 upon 65. So let's take cos inverse of 4 by 5 as x. Therefore cos x you will get, therefore cos x is 4 by 5. Cos x is 4 by 5, and let cos inverse of 12 upon 13 as y. Therefore cos of y is equal to what? 12 upon 13. Then now as we want to find here sine also, sine of x and sine of y, so see this right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, here cos, say this is angle x, so cos is adjacent side, so adjacent side is 4 upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 5, so the remaining side will be equal to what? 3. 3 square plus 4 square is 25. So therefore what will be sine of x? Therefore sine of x will be equal to opposite side. Opposite side is what? 3 upon hypotenuse is 5, that is sine x. And we have cos y, that is equal to 12 upon 13. Cos y is equal to 12 upon 13, so it is y. Cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse, therefore the remaining side will be equal to 5. 13 square, that is 169, minus 12 square 144. So 169 minus 144 is 25, and its square root will be 5. So remaining side will be 5. Therefore what will be sine x, sine y, and sine y will be equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse, which is 5 upon 12. So thus we have sine x, cos x, sine y, cos y, and here in the right hand side it is cos of, cos inverse आपको शो करना है. तो ये x है और ये y, हमने ये x सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, ये y सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. So what is our LHS? LHS is equal to cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13, 12 by 13, which is equal to what? See, cos inverse of, so it is x plus y. Now look at this cos of, see this is not required over here, ये हमें required नहीं है. So now consider cos of x plus y. So what is cos of x plus y? Cos x cos y minus, see here बीच में प्लस साइन है और राइट हैंड साइड में cos इनवर्स है. सो cos of x plus y will be cos x cos y, sin x sin y, sin x sin y. What is this cos of x? Cos x is 4 by 5. What is cos y? 12 upon 13 minus sin x 3 upon 5 and sin y is 5 upon, it is 5 upon 13. Sin y is adjacent opposite side upon hypotenuse, so it is 5 upon 13. We will not reduce this because we want LCM. See 5 into 13, 5 into 13 ये होगा 65 is the LCM. This is 48 minus 15. 48 minus 15 gives us 33. So it is equal to 33 upon 65. And what is our left hand side? It is cos of x plus y. See in the right hand side आपको ये दिखाना है 33 upon 65. So therefore cos of x plus y, that is equal to 33 upon 65. Now you invert this relation. तो invert करने पर आपको मिलेगा x plus y is equal to what? Cos inverse of 33 upon 65. But what is our x? X क्या है? X is cos inverse of 4 by 5 और y is cos inverse of 12 by 13. So x is cos inverse of 4 upon 5 or y is cos inverse of 12 upon 13, and the right hand side is equal to what? Cos inverse of 33 upon 65, which is required. So hence it is proved. Next question is sin inverse 3 by 5 plus if you want to prove sin inverse of 3 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to sin inverse of 56 upon 65. Now let us take, see a second example is this. Sin inverse of 3 upon 5 plus cos inverse of 12 upon 13. 12 upon 13. We want to show it is equal to sin inverse of 56 upon 65. Upon 65. So let us take, this is x, इसको हम x लेते हैं, sin inverse of 3 by 5 को हम लेते हैं x, so that sin x will be equal to 3 by 5. हाँ, sin x है तो हम cos x फाइंड कर सकते हैं. See, we find what? Cos x. Say this angle is what? X, or sine is what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 5. So the remaining side will be equal to what? 4. And therefore cos of x will be adjacent side of x, 4 upon 5. Next is cos inverse 12 upon 13. इसको हम लेते हैं y. Therefore cos of y will be equal to what? 12 upon 13. अब हम sin फाइंड करेंगे, so we will find what? Sin. Here this angle is y. Cos is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Remaining side will be equal to 5. 12, 5 or 13. triplet है. So therefore what will be sin y? Sin y will be equal to opposite side क्या है 5 और hypotenuse है 13. Then here we want sin inverse और यहाँ पे प्लस साइन है. सो हमें ये एडजस्ट करना है. साइन ऑफ x प्लस वाई फाइंड करना है. साइन x कॉस y, साइन x कॉस y प्लस कॉस x साइन y. So all these values we have. sin x क्या है 3/5 और cos y क्या है, cos y is 12/13 है प्लस cos x is what 4/5 and what is sin y? Sin y is 5/13. 5/13. So this will be equal to LCM of the denominator क्या होगा 65. Here 36 and plus 20, so this gives us 56/65. So we have here sin of x plus y क्या मिलेगा आपको. Therefore sin of what is this? Sin of x plus y is equal to 56/65. So we invert this relation and we will get here. Therefore it is x plus y will be equal to sin inverse of x plus y will be equal to what? Sin inverse of 56/65. But x is what? Or x is sin inverse of 3/5. See here, x is sin inverse of 3/5. Therefore sin inverse of 3/5 is x. Or y, what is y? Y is cos inverse of 12/13 and this we have shown it is equal to sin inverse of 56/65. We have shown it is equal to sin inverse of 56/65. Okay, we have proved this. Next question is question number 3. Sin inverse of 1 minus x. 2 sin inverse of x is equal to what? pi/2. हमें फाइंड करना है x. This 2 sin inverse x we will take in the right hand side. Sin inverse of 1 minus x, which is pi/2 plus 2 sin inverse of x. Then this invert this relation, that is 1 minus x will be equal to sin of pi/2 plus 2 sin inverse of x. Then this is equal to sin of pi/2 plus theta is cos theta. We use this formula, sin pi/2 plus theta is equal to what? Cos theta. It is equal to cos theta. तो ये हमारा थीटा एंगल है. this will be equal to what? Cos of theta means 2 sin inverse of x. Here it is 1 minus x. Therefore ये cos 2 sin inverse x will take in the left hand side. Cos 2 sin inverse x लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में लेंगे और ये होगा राइट हैंड साइड में भी x. 1 minus cos 2 theta, we use this formula 1 minus cos 2 theta, that is equal to 2 sin square theta. ये 2 theta है, यहाँ पे theta. This is equal to what? 2 sin square theta. So theta is this sin inverse of x, which is equal to what? X. Then therefore it is 2 times of, see you can write it as sin of sin inverse x, sin of sin inverse x whole square भी लिख सकते हैं, that is equal to right hand side is what? X. See why? Because sin square theta हम sin theta whole square लिख सकते हैं. So sin square theta will be sin of theta whole square. But what is the sin of sin inverse x? That is equal to what? X. Here 2. This will be x square and it is equal to what? X. Now 2x square is equal to x. Therefore 2x square minus x is equal to 0. X taking common, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. या तो x 0 रहेगा या 2x minus 1 will be equal to 0. Now if 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 है, then x will be equal to what? 1 by 2. X is equal to what? 1 by 2. Now if we take x is equal to 1 by 2 over here, ये relation क्या है? Sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse, ये relation है, minus 2 sin inverse of x is equal to pi by 2. So we will check whether this value satisfy or not. हम x is equal to 1 by 2 लिखते हैं तो in left hand side होगा sin inverse of 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 minus 2 sin inverse of 1 by 2. तो ऐसा मिलके माइनस साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 1 by 2 होगा, that is equal to left hand side will be minus pi by 6. Sin of 30 is 1 by 2, it is sin inverse of 1 by 2 is pi by 6 और ये minus pi by 6. This cannot be equal to pi by 2. RHS और LHS equal नहीं है. So therefore this value भी okay, will not consider this value. Therefore x cannot be equal to 1 upon 2. x is equal to 0 satisfy होती है क्या? यहाँ पे हम 0 रखते हैं तो ये sin inverse of 1 minus 2 sin inverse of 0 is 0. So sin inverse of 1 is pi by 2. Therefore x must be equal to what? 0. x is not equal to 1 upon 2. ये equal नहीं है. x must be equal to 0. So this is value of x. Next question. See here from vector, this question is from vector. Medians of triangle are concurrent. ये हमें prove करना है. So for this you consider the triangle ABCD triangle. A bar, B bar, C bar और D bar are the position vectors of A, B and C. मीडियंस ऑफ ट्रायंगल आर कॉन्करेंट, तो हम मीडियन ड्रॉ करेंगे. ए डी बी ई और सी एफ। यहाँ पे एफ डी और ई दीज आर द मिड पॉइंट्स ऑफ ए बी बी सी एंड ए सी, ये साइड्स के। सो ए डी इज मीडियन, डी विल बी मिड पॉइंट ऑफ बी सी, देयरफॉर पोजीशन वेक्टर ऑफ डी दैट इज डी बार is equal to b bar plus c bar upon 2, or E is midpoint of AC, so its position vector E bar will be equal to a bar plus c bar upon 2. हम पूरा ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ करेंगे. You will take A B C as vertices of triangle, their position vectors a bar b bar c bar लेना है आपको. E D and F are the midpoints. हम ड्रॉ करेंगे ए डी बी एंड सी एफ मीडियंस. सो आफ्टर दैट हियर एफ इज अ मिड पॉइंट ऑफ ए बी, सो एफ बार पोजिशन वेक्टर विल बी ए बार प्लस बी बार अपॉन 2. देन टेक क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, सो 2 डी बार इज इक्वल टू बी बार प्लस सी बार, E bar that is equal to a bar plus c bar, or 2f bar is equal to a bar plus b bar. फिर यहाँ पे जो कम है वो ऐड करना है. 2d bar plus a bar that is equal to a bar plus b bar plus c bar आएगा. Here we add b bar, so 2e bar plus b bar is equal to a bar plus b bar plus c bar. Here we add c bar, 2f bar plus c bar is equal to what? A bar plus b bar plus c bar. All are equal right hand side, therefore here we get 2d bar plus a bar is equal to 2e bar plus b bar is equal to 2f bar plus c bar, and that is equal to what? A bar plus b bar plus c bar. Okay, so we divide throughout equation by 3, so you will get here 2d bar plus a bar upon 3. यहाँ पे भी 2e bar plus b bar upon 3, and here 2f bar plus c bar upon 3 is equal to a bar plus b bar plus c bar plus c bar upon 3. Let's denote this by g bar. Okay, now therefore 2d bar plus 1a bar upon 2 plus 1, 2e bar plus 1b bar, इस 3 को हम लिखेंगे 2 plus 1, 2f bar plus 1c bar, और ये 3 को हम लिखेंगे 2 plus 1, that is equal to what? G bar. Let capital G be the point whose position vector is G bar, whose position vector is G bar. Therefore from this equation, ये equation से हम क्या denote कर सकते हैं कि this point G divide A, D, B and C, F internally in ratio 2:1. Therefore from 1 capital G, this point divide medians AD, BE or CF. AD, B and C medians AD, BE and CF internally in ratio, okay, internally in ratio, in what ratio? 2:1. इसका मतलब क्या है? AD, B and CF they are passing through the point G, and we conclude that therefore medians AD, BE or CF and CF they are concurrent. This is to be proved over here. हाँ, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है फाइंड वॉल्यूम ऑफ पैरेललोपिपेड whose co-terminus edges are J plus K, I plus K or I plus J. So we find here volume of parallelepiped. So volume of parallelepiped we find whose co-terminus edges are given. Volume of parallelepiped whose co-terminus edges are given by J plus K, I plus here find volume of parallelepiped whose co-terminus edges are represented by vector J plus K, I plus K or I plus J. So here volume of parallelepiped is given by volume of parallelepiped that is given by box product A bar, B bar, C bar और स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट A bar, B bar, C bar. तो यहाँ पे A bar क्या है बेटा? A bar is equal to J plus K, B bar is equal to what? I plus K, and C bar is equal to what? C bar is equal to I plus J. Now volume of parallelepiped V is equal to scalar triple product A bar, B bar, C bar. So it is determinant of A bar is what? 0, 1, 1. B bar क्या है? 1, 0, 1. और C bar क्या है? 1, 1, 0. Okay. So we expand it. Expansion of this will be equal to what? Expansion will be 0 into this determinant. Determinant of 0, 1, 1, 0 minus 1 into determinant of 1, 1 and 1, 0. So what will be the expansion of the 0 minus 1 plus 1 into value of this determinant 1 minus 0. So how much it is? Minus of minus 1 will be 1, or 1 into 1 is this, that is equal to 2. Therefore volume of parallelepiped, okay, where volume of parallelepiped V is equal to 2 cubic units. 2 cubic units. Further, with this coterminal edges, you have to find volume of tetrahedron also. So volume of tetrahedron is given by here volume of tetrahedron is given by V is equal to 1 by 6 scalar triple product A bar B bar C bar, scalar triple product A bar B bar C bar. So what is that? 1 upon 6 scalar triple product A bar B bar C bar आपको मिला है 2. ये रिड्यूस करके आप 1 upon 3 लिख सकते हैं क्यूबिक यूनिट्स. ओके, क्यूबिक यूनिट्स, that is the volume of tetrahedron or the volume of parallelepiped. Now we'll do find volume of tetrahedron whose vertices दिए हैं और आपको वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है. So let us do this. Volume of tetrahedron whose vertices are given. यहाँ पर को टर्मिनस एचेस दिए थे, अभी वर्टाइसिस दिया है. सो हाउ टू गेट वॉल्यूम ऑफ टेट्राहेड्रॉन? सो व्हाट आर द वर्टाइसिस ओवर हियर? वर्टाइसिस है A is -1 2 3. See here vertices A, capital A is what? -1 2 3. कैपिटल B क्या है? 3 minus 2 1. और what is C? 2 1 3. what is D? D vertex -1 -2 4. vertex D. Then see here one vertex you will take common and we find what? Co-terminus H's. यहाँ पे AB bar you find AC bar and AD bar find करना है. What is AB bar? AB bar is position vector of B minus position vector of A. Position vector of A. So what will be position vector of B? 3i minus 2j plus k. 3i minus 2j plus k. और position vector of A will be minus I plus 2j plus 3k plus 3k. B bar minus A bar. So what will be 3 minus of -1, that is 4i, minus 2 and minus 2 it is minus 4j. ये -2k आएगा. That is what? AB bar. Here is AB bar. फिर हमें AC bar फाइंड करना है. AC bar will be equal to what? Position vector of C minus position vector of A. 2 minus of -1, that is 3i. 1 minus 2, that is -1j. और प्लस 0k आएगा. AD bar will be equal to what? AD bar position vector of D minus position vector of A. हाँ, so ये है 4. This is what? 4. Now AD bar -1 0. Okay, it is 0i minus 2 and this is it is -4j or 4 minus 3, that is k, 1k. So आपको मिला है AB बार, AC बार और AD बार. ये होंगे को टर्मिनस एचेस. So volume of tetrahedron, volume of tetrahedron, what will be volume of tetrahedron? That is equal to 1 upon 6 scalar triple product. Co-terminus edges are AB bar, AC bar or AD bar. These are co-terminus edges. So first of all we will get scalar triple product AB bar, AC bar or AD bar. तो ये स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट होगी डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ 4 minus 4 minus 2 4 minus 4 minus 2. AC bar is what? 3 minus 1 0 और AD बार क्या है? 0 minus 4 1. इसको हम एक्सपेंड करेंगे. वी विल एक्सपेंड इट. व्हाट इज द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ दिस? इट इज 4 into minus 1 minus of minus 4 into 3 minus 0 minus 2 into minus 12 minus 0 minus 12 minus 0. What will be finally? It is minus 4 plus 12 and this is what? 24. It is plus 24. This is equal to, see it is left 12 minus 4 8 32. Okay. So what is this scalar triple product we are getting? AB bar, AC bar, AD bar, that is equal to how much you are getting? 32. But you have to find what? Volume of tetrahedron. Therefore volume of tetrahedron, that is equal to 1 upon 6 scalar triple product AB bar, AC bar and AD bar, which is equal to 1 upon 6 into 32 means how much? 16 by 3 cubic units. 16 by 3 cubic units. This is what volume of tetrahedron with this co-terminus edges. तो सबसे पहले हमें co-terminus edges find करना है, vertices दिए, and then we find volume okay, value of this determinant, and that is 32. Formula is this 1 upon 6 into scalar triple product. So you are getting 16 upon 3 cubic units. Find Cartesian equation of line passing through. अब ये 3-dimensional line plane के questions. Find Cartesian equation of line passing through this point and perpendicular to these two vectors. So let's do next question. What is it? Find equation of here. Find Cartesian equation of line passing through the point 2 1 minus 3 and perpendicular to the vectors. B bar is I plus j plus k and C bar is I plus 2j minus k. So here equation of line passing through this point 3, 2 1 minus 3, this point 2 1 minus 3, and perpendicular to the vectors b bar. What is that b bar? B bar is I plus j plus k, and C bar, which is equal to I plus 2j minus k, 2j minus k. Okay. So इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस टू वेक्टर्स. तो हमें इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन सी और लाइन इज परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस टू वेक्टर्स मीन्स इट इज पैरेलल टू देयर क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. सो सबसे पहले हमें बी क्रॉस सी फाइंड करना होगा. सो व्हाट इज दिस बी क्रॉस सी? क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट विल बी हियर I j k 1 1 1 और 1 2 minus 1. इसको हम एक्सपेंड करेंगे b क्रॉस c. तो I into minus 1 minus 2 that is minus 3 minus j into minus 1 minus 1 that is minus 2 plus k into 2 minus 1 that is 1. Therefore b cross c will be equal to what? B cross c is equal to minus 3i plus 2j or plus k. We are getting this b cross c. Or line is passing through this point and it is perpendicular to b bar and c bar, मतलब it is parallel to b cross c. So line is passing through A 2 1 minus 3. Okay, and it is parallel to which two vector, and it is parallel to B cross C. It is parallel to what? B cross C. Therefore its equation will be what? Therefore equation of line will be what? So therefore equation of line will be R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda times B cross C. This is the equation of line. R bar is equal to A bar plus lambda times B cross C, which is R bar is equal to, what is our A bar? 2i plus j minus 3k. This is what A bar. Lambda times B cross C is what? What is your B cross C? Minus 3i plus 2j plus k. This will be the vector form of the equation of line. ये होगा vector form of the equation of line. हमें कार्टेशियन फॉर्म फाइंड करना है. So how to get a Cartesian form? Therefore Cartesian form will be Cartesian form. What will be the Cartesian form? X minus 2 ये upon minus 3 is equal to y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to z minus of minus 1, that is plus minus of minus 3 is plus 3 upon 1. Upon what? 1. k का कोएफिशिएंट 1, 2 का j का कोएफिशिएंट 2 और 3 i का कोएफिशिएंट -. So this form will be a Cartesian form of the equation of line, which is ours. Cartesian form. ये Cartesian form है, ये vector form. Now we will do. See, this question is over. Find equation of line passing through this and perpendicular to these two vectors. अब करना है हमें find Cartesian equation of line passing through these 2 points. Passing through the points 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. So here we find equation of line passing through 1, 2, 3 and find Cartesian equation of line passing through the point 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. See here, A is 1, 2, 3 or B 2, 3, 4. See, we have to find equation of line passing through 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 2, 3, 4. So equation of line passing through 2 points. See, the form is this: x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 z minus z1 z2 minus z1. यहाँ पे ये x1 y1 z1 होगा और ये x2 y2 z2 होगा. Equation of line is in this form: x minus x1 x minus 1 upon x2. x2 is 2, 2 minus 1, y minus 1 y1 upon 3 minus 2, z minus z1 which is 3 upon 4 minus 3. Therefore it is x minus 1 upon 1 y minus 2 upon 1 z minus 3 upon 1. Fortunately, you are getting denominator 1. This will be the equation of line in Cartesian form. इसको हम वेक्टर फॉर्म में ऐसे लिख सकते हैं: r बार इज इक्वल टू I प्लस 2j प्लस 3k प्लस लैम्बडा टाइम्स I प्लस j प्लस k प्लस लैम्बडा टाइम्स I प्लस j प्लस k. This will be the vector form. This will be the Cartesian form. Next question is find shortest distance between the lines. तो ये क्वेश्चन करना है shortest distance between the lines. So you have to find shortest distance between the lines. Lines are, see here, equations of lines are r bar is equal to, equations of lines are r bar is equal to 2I minus j plus lambda into 2I plus j minus 3k minus 3k and another line r bar is equal to I minus j with another line I minus j plus 2k mu times 2i plus j 2i plus j minus 5k minus 5k. See here the line is this. Two I plus j minus lambda times 2i plus j minus 3k, and r bar is I bar minus j bar plus 2k mu times 2i plus j minus 5k. So we find here shortest distance. So let us find shortest distance between these two skew lines. Here shortest distance formula is this: d is equal to mod of a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 cross b2 cross b2 upon magnitude of b1 cross b2. Okay, this may be negative positive, but shortest distance will be positive only. हाँ, so यहाँ पे हमारा a1 bar is what? You can compare the equation of line as r bar is equal to a1 bar plus lambda times b1 bar, और दूसरी लाइन है r bar is equal to a2 bar plus mu times b2 bar. ठीक है. So what is our a1 bar? 2i minus j, और a2 bar is what? a2 bar is I minus 2j, sorry, I minus j plus 2k. This is what a2 bar. b1 bar is what? ये b1 bar है 2i plus j minus 3k. b2 bar is equal to what? b2 bar is 2i plus j minus 5k. So first of all you take a2 bar minus a1 bar, or a1 bar minus a2 bar. So a2 bar minus a1 bar will be equal to what? Difference of this 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 I. ये j माइनस है, ये भी j माइनस है, तो 0 आएगा, और 2k that is a2 bar minus a1 bar will be minus I plus 2k आएगा. Now you find b1 cross b2. b1 cross b2 will be equal to what? It is cross product we are taking. ijk cross product ijk. What is our b1 bar? b1 bar is equal to 2i, मतलब 2 1 minus 3 2 1 minus 5. Expand this. I into minus 5 plus 3 minus 2, then minus of j into minus 10 plus 6, minus 10 और ये plus 6 आएगा, which is minus 4 plus k into what? I minus C, 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1, 0, which is minus 2I plus 4J आएगा. So what is for B1 cross B2? B1 cross B2 आएगा. Therefore B1 cross B2 we are getting minus 2I plus 4J, or A2 bar minus A1 bar we are getting what? A2 bar minus A1 bar कितना है? minus I plus 2K. अब इसका हम डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस? A2 बार माइनस A1 बार डॉट B1 क्रॉस B2, B1 क्रॉस B2 that is equal to minus I plus 2K dot B1 cross B2 minus 2I 4J. What will be this dot product? This dot product will be minus 2 or minus 1, that is plus 2, और यहाँ पे this we can write as minus I plus 0J plus 2K और फिर into dot product minus 2I 4J और 0K. हाँ, so minus I into minus 2 that is plus 2, 0 or 4, 0, 2 or 0, 0. So finally you are getting here it is 2. Then you find magnitude of B1 cross B2. What is magnitude of B1 cross B2? That is equal to square root of, what is your B1 cross B2? This minus 2 square plus 4 square, which is equal to square root of 4 plus 16, which is equal to root of 20. Root of 20. Now put in the formula. आपको B1 क्रॉस B2 आया रूट ऑफ 20 और A2 बार माइनस A1 बार डॉट B1 क्रॉस B2 इज 2 है. So what is our formula? Therefore shortest distance D is equal to magnitude of what? A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 cross B2, magnitude of B1 cross B2. What is this? A2 bar minus A1 bar dot B1 cross B2. This dot product is equal to how much? It is 2. ये है dot product, it is 2. This D is equal to what? Magnitude of ये 2 है और denominator magnitude of B1 cross B2 you are getting square root of 20. This you can write as 2 upon ये 4 into 5 मतलब 2 root 5 और ये 2 कैंसिल होगा एंड फाइनली यू आर गेटिंग D is equal to what? 1 by root 5 units. Yes, this will be the shortest distance. Next question is you have to reduce the equation into normal form and hence find the distance of plane from the origin and this is direction cosines. सो द इक्वेशन नॉट इन नॉर्मल फॉर्म, तो सबसे पहले हमें इक्वेशन नॉर्मल फॉर्म में लिखना होगा. So first of all we write the equation in normal form and we write the equation in normal form. See, the question is this: equation of plane is given. So what is the equation of plane? It is r bar dot 3I minus 4j 12k that is equal to what? 8. तो ये इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन इज इन दिस फॉर्म, r bar dot n bar is equal to q. ओके, तो सबसे पहले हमें इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन लिखना होगा नॉर्मल फॉर्म में. तो व्हाट इज द नॉर्मल फॉर्म? व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ प्लेन इन नॉर्मल फॉर्म? इट इज r bar dot n cap that is equal to what? P. Okay, this is the equation of plane in normal form. यहाँ पर P जो है that is the distance of plane from the origin और n cap is the unit vector. तो इसके I J K के components जो रहेंगे that will be the direction cosines DCS होंगे. So this is the equation of plane. So what is here? You compare with this equation. इस equation के साथ हम compare करेंगे. So here n bar will be equal to what? यहाँ पर n bar will be equal to 3I minus 4j 12k. ठीक है. Is it unit vector? No. तो इसका हम unit vector find करेंगे. Magnitude of this will be equal to root of 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 12 square 144 और this total will be equal to root of 169 आएगा. See, it is this is 16 और ये 9, 169 square root it will be 3. 30. Magnitude of n bar you are getting 30. Therefore, equation of plane r bar dot 3I minus 4j plus 12k is equal to 8. ये ऐसा इक्वेशन है, मतलब इस फॉर्म में. हम दोनों साइड में आप मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ n बार अगर डिवाइड करते हैं तो ये होगा n बार अपॉन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ n बार n कैप होगा. यस. सो नाउ सी दिस इक्वेशन वी डिवाइड बाय मैग्नीट्यूड n बार. सो r बार डॉट सी 3I minus 4j 12k this divided by what? 13. तो ये होगा n cap 8 upon 13. That is, it will be in the form r bar dot n cap is equal to 8 upon 13. So this equation is in normal form. ये इक्वेशन नॉर्मल फॉर्म में. ओके, दिस इक्वेशन इज इन नॉर्मल फॉर्म. सो इफ यू कंपेयर विथ दिस, ऑन कंपेयरिंग विथ on comparing with r bar dot n cap is equal to what? P is equal to what? 8 upon 13. This is the distance of plane from the origin. Therefore distance of plane from the origin क्या होगा? Distance of plane from origin P is equal to what? 8 upon 30 units. 8 upon 30 units. और DCS मतलब डायरेक्शन कोसाइंस ऑफ नॉर्मल टू द प्लेन आर 3/13 LMN 3/13 माइनस 4 अपॉन 13 और 12 अपॉन 13. ये दोनों आंसर होंगे. आपको डिस्टेंस ऑफ प्लेन फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन फाइंड करना है और DCS अलोंग द नॉर्मल, ये दो चीज़ें फाइंड करना है. तो डिस्टेंस ऑफ प्लेन फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन इज 8 अपॉन 13 यूनिट्स, DCS इज 3 अपॉन 13. सो आगे के क्वेश्चन से लीनियर प्रोग्रामिंग प्रॉब्लम्स क्वेश्चन है. सो और सेकेंड पेपर मैथ्स 2 पेपर के क्वेश्चन है. सो विल डू दैट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. Thank you for watching this video.